Good morning, student. Let's start the remaining part of the electrostatic. हमें जो नेक्स्ट क्लास रे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ड्यू टू पॉइंट चार्ज बाहर करते तार आउ किछि पार्ट रही जाइतला अगेन वर्तमान डिस्कशन करिया इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू चार्ज सर्कुलर रिंग. Electric field means electric field intensity due to a charge circular ring. So consider a circular ring of center O and radius R. Radius A. Let P be a point at a distance x from the center of circular ring. So the charge uniformly distributed throughout all the surface of a circular ring of linear charge density lambda. Let P be the point of observation at a distance x from center of circular ring. Let a small element of the ring diametrically opposite side of the circular ring. हमें बर्तमान गोटे सर्कुलर रिंग रो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड टा केते बाहर करिया. सो हमें पी टा गला पॉइंट ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन सेटा सेंटर ऑफ सर्कुलर रिंग पाखर डिस्टेंस हला x at the small element dl the charge at the point A, that is d del q equal to lambda into dl, because linear charge density equal to charge per unit length, so dq equal to lambda into dl. Let P be the point of observation, that is for the small element dl we have the small electric field dE be the small electric field due to small element of length dl. So now a line joining between the point to charge to the point of observation. तो आमे आगु बाहर करके आस्तरो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड E equal to beta q by r square. Here r means charge to the point, that is distance from the point A to P. The electric field is dE. Now dE equal to when it is taken in the free space 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught dq lambda into dl by r square means ap square along the direction of p of. Here ap is equal to this distance equal to a square plus x square square root a square plus x square half, that is dE becomes 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught lambda into dl by x square plus a square along the direction of p of. Similarly, here at the point P, the electric field can be resolved into two components. That means E cos theta and E sin theta. Now at the opposite corner, opposite diameter of the ring, we have the electric field, that is electric field equal to dE. Now at the point P, dE has two components, along the y axis and along the x axis at the angle theta. This is the angle theta. So now DE cos theta along the direction of px and DE sin theta along the direction of py dash. Similarly, at the B point, the electric field at the point E is also DE. Now it can be resolved into two rectangular components, that is DE sin theta and DE cos theta. That is, so the net electric field at the point P, DE sin theta and DE sin theta are equal magnitude, opposite direction. These are cancel out with each other at the point P. So now only DE sin theta, DE cos theta. The net electric field at P integration over E DE, which is equal to 0 to 2 pi a DE cos theta. From the equation 1, we have the value of D, substituting the value here. Now the DE is equal to E 0 to 2 pi a 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is lambda into DL x square plus a square into cos theta. Here in the triangle we take OAP, that is theta means cos theta. In the triangle OAP, cos theta is equal to, that is OP by AP, x by a square plus x square, the square root. Now substituting this value here, आमे जदि तार वैल्यू गुडा को सेठी पुट कर दे परिबा, तेबे आमे पाई जिबा E is equal to, E becomes E equal to integration over 0 to 2 pi a 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught lambda dl by x square plus a square into cos theta is here x by a square plus x square to the power half, or 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught lambda x by s square plus x square to the power 3 by 2 0 to 2 pi a into dl. Now E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught lambda x by x square plus a square to the power 3 by 2. Here the integration over dl is 2 pi a E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught lambda x by x square plus x square to the power 3 by 2 into 2 pi a. Now 2 pi a lambda into 2 pi a is equal to q, that is charge. E becomes 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught along the direction of px. Now 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is q into x by x square plus a square to the power 3 by 2 along the direction of px. This is the required expression for electric field due to charge circular ring. So हमें वर्तमान इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड रो इंटेंसिटी पाइलु ड्यू टू ए सर्कुलर रिंग हमें पाइलु, दैट इज स्पेशल केस. हमें स्पेशल केस देखि परिया. केस 1, when x equal to 0 means the point is at the center of a circular ring. जदि पॉइंट को आम सर्कुलर रिंग रे रखिबा तबे आम x equal to 0 नहीं परिया. So electric field becomes that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught means 0. Electric field is here 0 means there is no electric field intensity at the center of a circular ring. If case 2, if we take another case, if the point of observation is far away from the center, point lies far away from center, then x is greater than a, therefore we have an electric field. आम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एक्सप्रेशन पाई परिया 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught qx by here neglecting the value of a as compared to the x. आम एटा को नेग्लेक्ट करि परिबा x सहित कंपेयर करिके तो वर्तमान आम केवल पाइबा एक्स क्यू along px. Here x q cancel, x square, so the expression becomes E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by x square along the direction of px. एटा आमे पढिलु इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू पॉइंट चार्ज. द पॉइंट चार्ज इज एट ओरिजिन फर्स्ट क्लास रे डिस्कशन करथली. तो सेकंड क्लास रे आमे देखिलु कौन ना इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू ए चार्ज सर्कुलर रिंग. जते आमे गोटे सर्कुलर रिंग टू यूनिफॉर्मली चार्ज कर दबा तार इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ता सेंटर केते एंड फार एवे रे कथा आमे पाई जिबा. सम न्यूमेरिकल्स आमे किछि न्यूमेरिकल्स देखिबा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को बेस करके. Determine the electric field produced. Determine the electric field produced by a helium nucleus at a distance 1 angstrom from it. हमें बाहर करिया इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बाहर करिया कहा द्वारा गोटे हीलियम न्यूक्लियस रे केते डिस्टेंस रे ना 1 angstrom डिस्टेंस रे जदि हमें थिबो न्यूक्लियस पाखरो हमें तार इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड केते बाहर करिया. हियर गिवन that is distance r equal to 1 angstrom. 1 angstrom equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Then so charge here helium nucleus means helium we have 2 for means charge q equal to 2e 2 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, that is 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So expression आमे बाहर करिके आसीचो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड E equal to due to point charge 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught if the charge is placed at free space q by r square. That is we have the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught रा value आमे जानिचो 9 into 10 to the power 9. Here q is given 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19. R means here 10 to the power minus 10 ro square. This is the Newton per coulomb. If we solve the equation, then strength of electric field to be obtained. हमें जदि यार वैल्यू गुडा सब सॉल्व करि परिया इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड पाई जिबा. Then another problem. Two point charges. Two-point charges plus q and plus 4q are separated by a distance that is of 6a. Find the point on the line joining the two charges where the electric field intensity is 0. Two point charges plus q and plus 4q are separated by distance 6a. Find the point on the line joining the two charges where the intensity is 0. हमें दीटा पॉइंट चार्ज किसी डिस्टेंस ऑफ सेपरेशन रखिया तो आमे तांको भितर लाइन जॉइन कला पर गोटे पॉइंट बाहर करिया जो थरे इलेक्ट्रिक इंटेंसिटी टा 0 हेथबो केमती बाहर करिया 2 point that is A, here the charge is plus q, and another point B that is charge plus 4q separated by distance 6a. So let P be a point in between them. हमें मने करो ता भीतर गुटे पॉइंट टा नेलु which is x distance from charge plus q and the next 6a minus x, that is, so let at the point P where the intensity is 0. मने करो हमें जो पॉइंट टा P नेलु से जगह तार इंटेंसिटी टा 0 अछि एबे केमती बाहर करिया तो नाउ this is the point and this is the point charge. Distance of separation is x. We have the electric field E1 equal to beta q by x square, that is, here the positive charge, its direction is FP produce along FP produce. Similarly, another point charge is here plus 4q at the point P whose distance is 6a minus x, then the intensity becomes E2 beta 4q by 6a minus x rho square along the direction of, here the electric field intensity E1 and its direction for the positive charge plus 4q along the direction of PA means BP produced. The net intensity at the point is equal to 0. Here the net electric field at the point P means E1 is a vector, E2 is also vector. There is an angle between them is 180 degrees. The net electric field equal to E1 minus E2. That is E1 minus E2 equal to 0 according to your question. Then E1 is equal to E2. Now substituting the value of E1 and E2, that is beta q by x square is equal to beta 4q by 6a minus x square. Beta cancel, q cancel, that is 1 by x equal to 2 by 6a minus x. Now 2x equal to 6a minus x, 3x equal to 6a, x equal to 2a, that is the point at a distance 2a from the charge plus q. आमे से पॉइंट टा पाइबा कोठू ना जो चार्ज टा प्लस q पाखरु 2a डिस्टेंस रे. another. That is, three identical charges are placed, that is three vertices of a equilateral triangle. Calculate the net electric field at the centroid. That is, आमे वर्तमान next question को जीवा. Three identical charges of magnitude q each are situated at the corner of an equilateral triangle. Find the electric field at its centroid. Three identical charges mean three equal charges of magnitude q are situated at the corner of a equilateral triangle. Means that is corner means three vertices. Find the electric field at its centroid. आमे वर्तमान तार net electric field बाहर करिया कोठी ना centroid. So आमे वर्तमान the diagram draw करिया. A, B, C is the equilateral triangle. The side is A. This is the centroid point. The distance from C to R, and this is for the A to R. So we have the electric field at the point O. आमे वर्तमान तार O point रो electric field टा केते बाहर करिया. Here this is the point charge q, and this is the charge q, and this is the charge q. Three equal charges, identical charges are placed three vertices or three corner of a equilateral triangle. Now this is the point A, B, C. This is the point of observation at a distance r from the charge is C. That is, the electric field at the point O due to charge q is E1. Its direction is away from the positive charge. Then similarly, E1 is equal to beta q by x square means r square along OX. Similarly, another charge is here q at the point O. The distance is r, and the electric field its direction along the direction of x dash. The electric field is E2 beta q by r square along the direction of OX dash. आमे एटी देखुछु E1 रो मैग्नीट्यूड E2 रो मैग्नीट्यूड सहित समान. That is E1 magnitude of E2 equal to same, that is E. Now the resultant electric field in between them, the angle between is 120 degree. So therefore the resultant electric field E equal to or E dash equal to E1 square E2 square 2 E1 E2 cos theta, that is square root. Here the theta equal to 120. cos 120 that is minus half, that means e square plus e square plus 2 e square into minus half. 2 to cancel, that is e, means e dash equal to e. Similarly, you can see another charge here at the point A. आउटे चार्ज आम ए पॉइंट रही आम बर्तमान जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ई डैश बाहर करलु यही दुईटा चार्ज पाई बी कर्नर आउ सी कर्नर जो चार्जटा थिला प्लस क्यू आउ प्लस क्यू. सिमिलरली जिते आम ए पॉइंट जो चार्जटा अच्छी ओ पॉइंट रो आम डिस्टेंस ऑफ सेपरेशन आर इट्स इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डायरेक्शन दैट इज वाई डैश E3. E3 equal to beta q by magnitude is q and distance is r square along the direction of OY dash. Now we have the resultant between E dash and E3. आमे वर्तमान E dash और E3 भितरे net resultant बाहर करिया. So the angle between them, that is E dash and E3, are 180 degree, means they are anti-parallel with each other. If the two vectors are anti-parallel, then the resultant is equal to A minus B. Net electric field at the point O is equal to, that is E3 minus E dash. But E3 has same magnitude E2 as same magnitude E1 equal to E. That means E minus E equal to 0. Means the net resultant electric field at the centroid is 0. Then next, if the 2 point charges 16 microcoulomb and minus 9 microcoulomb are separated by the distance 0.08 meter apart in free space, so what is the point where the electric field intensity is 0? Next, हमें देखिए 2 point charge point charges of 16 microcoulomb and minus 9 microcoulomb are placed at a distance at 0.0 meter 8 in air. Determine the position of the point at which the resultant electric intensity is 0. Again, 2 point charges 16 microcoulomb and other is the minus 9 microcoulomb are placed at a distance 0.08 meter in air. Determine the position of the point at which resultant field is 0. आमे बाहर करिया गोटे पॉइंट जो जगह तार resultant intensity 0 हिथो.